On Earth we take many things in the sky for granted. When the clouds disappear, the sky is blue. The sun and the moon appear about the same size, as if you could cover each one with a small pebble held at arm's length. These details seem ordinary, even predictable. But what if we could stand on another planet, or even on a distant moon? How would the sky look to us there? Would it be familiar, or would it be something entirely alien? Let's take a journey across the solar system and discover how different the heavens would appear from worlds beyond our own. Let's begin with Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun. Mercury has no atmosphere to scatter light and no moon to share its sky. At night, the heavens would be breathtakingly clear. Without an atmosphere to blur the view, the Milky Way would shine with razor-sharp detail, like a river of stars flowing across the darkness. You would also notice Venus, Earth, and our moon glowing far brighter than most stars. But the real spectacle happens during the day. Here, the sun dominates the sky. From Mercury's surface, it can appear more than 3 times larger than on Earth and more than 10 times brighter. The planet itself is dark grey, but under such fierce sunlight, it seems to glow white to the human eye. Imagine standing there, no air to breathe, no clouds to soften the light, just an unfiltered sun blazing down on a barren, silent world. Next, let's compare Mercury's stark sky to the more familiar face of Mars. Mars has a thin atmosphere, so its skies are not black, but instead painted in shades of orange and red. During the day, the sun looks smaller, just 5/8 of its size on Earth, and the brightness is closer to a hazy afternoon back home. Now, here's the twist. While Earth gives us blue skies and red sunsets, Mars does the opposite. Its dusty atmosphere scatters sunlight in unusual ways, so daytime skies appear red, yet sunsets and sunrises create hues of blue and violet. Standing on the Martian surface, you would witness a reversal of everything you know, an alien inversion of our homeworld. At night, the stars return joined by Mars's 2 tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos. They appear much smaller than our moon, but their rapid orbits create a sky in constant motion. Now let's venture farther out into the realm of the giants. The gas planets have no solid surface to stand on, so instead we'll look from their moons, and among them, Io, the innermost large moon of Jupiter, offers a view like no other. Io has no real atmosphere, so the sky would remain black, but then lifting your gaze, you would see Jupiter itself. From Io's surface, Jupiter looms enormous, nearly 40 times larger in the sky than our moon appears to us. Its swirling bands of clouds, its storms, and the great red spot would fill the heavens. Even in darkness, Jupiter's reflected light would bathe Io in a ghostly glow, brighter than full moonlight on Earth. And yet the sun here is distant. On Io, it shines 27 times dimmer than on Earth and appears only 1/5 of the size. To your eyes, Jupiter, not the sun, would be the true master of the sky. There is another marvel: solar eclipses. The 4 Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are large enough to fully block the sun. Because of their synchronized orbits, multiple eclipses can happen at once. Imagine looking up and seeing 3 moons casting their shadows across Jupiter's cloud tops simultaneously. This isn't imagination alone, it is something astronomers have captured with the Hubble Space Telescope. Here, the sky becomes a stage for cosmic alignments more dramatic than anything we witness on Earth. From Jupiter's grandeur, let's leap to the very edge of our solar system where Neptune drifts in the deep freeze of space. Sometimes it lies even farther from the sun than Pluto. Out here, sunlight is faint. Neptune receives just 1/1000th of the energy Earth does. The sun appears tiny, only about 1/30th of its size in our sky. To you, it would look like a bright star, not the blazing disk we know. Now picture yourself on Triton, Neptune's largest moon. The horizon would reveal a thin, pale atmosphere glowing faintly in the sun's weak rays. But your eyes would be drawn upward, where Neptune itself hangs enormous. It looks 16 times larger than our moon does to us, but it is dim, glowing softly in shades of blue. Compared to the brilliant moonlight on Earth, Neptune would seem ghostly 250 times fainter. And yet despite this quiet glow, the environment is forbidding. On Triton, temperatures plunge to minus 230 degrees Celsius. The faint sun provides no warmth. It is a realm of ice and silence, a place where survival for us is impossible, but where the sky offers one of the most haunting views in the solar system. From Mercury's blazing sun, to Mars's reversed sunsets, from Jupiter's colossal presence, to Neptune's icy twilight, we have only skimmed the diversity of skies within our own solar system. Each world writes its own story on the canvas of space, painting the heavens with colours, scales and patterns unique to itself. And this is just our neighbourhood. If such variety exists among the handful of planets and moons around our sun, imagine what skies must look like on the billions of other worlds scattered across the galaxy. Perhaps somewhere out there, another traveller is looking up and wondering the very same thing.